Why does my car battery keep dying? Welcome to Mercir J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So essentially there's a couple of different reasons of why a battery might keep dying. Number one is it could just be old and tired. Number two is something can be draining it while the vehicle's off. Or number three is maybe the alternator is not working properly and charging it while you're driving. So I'll give you a couple of quick tips on how you might be able to kind of check it out. If the battery's weak, try starting your engine, shutting off, starting and shutting it off. You should be able to do that a dozen times and it should start just fine. If it starts to crank over slowly or something, now you need to get the battery tested because it's probably a little bit weak. Most of the time, you can look at the battery light. You should turn the key on, battery light should come on, start the car, the battery light should go off. That's usually a good indication that the alternator is working. Some cars also have a volt gauge. We need to see that volt gauge 13 volts or more typically, and that tells us the alternator's charging. So without specific test equipment, it's kind of hard to say, but the draining on the battery, we need some special equipment to test how much it's draining when the car's off. So I hope this has been informational to you. Till next time, safe travels and blessings to you.